What does the passage suggest about the air vent at the top of the parachute? Where do we have this reference? It is the third paragraph that refers to the air vent at the top, and it states that in Garnerin's prototype there was no such air vent, because of which Garnerin oscillated wildly in his descent. So it can be inferred that the air vent prevents such kind of oscillations, or the air vent allows the parachute jumper to control the parachute. Let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, prevents dramatic movement. Yes, that is what is implied here by oscillations. The passage mentions that in the absence of this air vent, Garnerin had to face oscillations, which suggests that the air vent would allow in controlling these oscillations, which is what is implied in answer choice A. So let's keep this on hold. Answer choice B, allows the pilot to control the speed of landing. In the context of air vent, the passage doesn't indicate the speed of landing. The passage simply indicates oscillations while coming down. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, uses air resistance to slow the falling parachute. The third paragraph mentions that Garnerin conceived the possibility of using air resistance to slow the fall. So this aspect is mentioned, but air resistance would relate to the parachute as a whole. Air vent at the top of the parachute has no particular relevance to the air resistance slowing down the parachute. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, enables designing the parachute in any shape and size. The passage makes no such reference in the context of the air vent. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, allows making the parachute with thin material. In the context of air vent, the passage makes no suggestion regarding thin material. So let's eliminate this answer choice. A is the correct answer.